Welcome. I'm making this short video to show how you can use one of the facilities in the Pearson MyEconLab site. If you have questions about why you missed questions, or if you have questions about why your answers were incorrect. And basically, here we have a question where a number of the parts were answered incorrectly. So you can go to question help. And this particular one, interestingly enough, does have a help me solve this. But if you'd like to ask the instructor, you can click on this and an email will be sent to the instructor. You can type your question about why you are wondering about how this particular question was graded to this email and send it to the instructor. Typically better than taking screenshots or photos, much easier too. And then this is a nice one too. Help me solve this. It explains things to you. And it works you through the problem. You read it, and you don't have to answer anything here. You go to the next one, and again, you don't have to answer anything here. And then they list all the items that will shift the curve. And now you do have to answer something like the price of touch screens used in smartphones declines. This lowers the cost of production. So there is and I'm not sure what we're talking about, market for smartphones. So this should be a shift in the supply curve, an increase in supply at every given price. And we can check answer, and that's okay. In this case, we see that well, if the supply curve shifts out, the price will decline, but the equilibrium quantity will increase. And we can check answer. All right. And we continue on through this whole exercise. Anyway, just wanted to show this nifty little add-on facility to Pearson's MyEconLab to you.